Hey, what's up guys? Wood here from Davao City, Philippines, and today is a little bit of a different vlog or review, semi-tech review. Back in late part of 2018, my old Canon A1 film camera just died. I wanted to kind of get a little nostalgic, come back to the old school, put some film in it, and that camera was given to me from my father, and it was given to him by his son and my brother Steve. And so it had a special place in my heart. I wanted to dust it off, realized that the shutter had finally just given up its life. So my wife, being so beautiful, decided to get me a replacement just so that I could, just have some fun. So right here is the Canon A1. It's the predecessor, and it's a bit more of a semi-pro level camera, meaning that it's got a lot more functionality, full manual mode. It's got full aperture preferred. It's got shutter preferred modes. You can look it up online. I don't want to bore you with it. I just want to show you what I've done with it and take you on this nostalgic journey with me. So I got a hold of this Canon A1 that I'm holding here. I'm using my father's lenses, so thanks Dad for loaning me your prime lenses. I've got a 50mm 1.4, which is beautiful, and I got a 24mm 2.8 and 100mm. It's fantastic. I better not reveal anymore because my dad might want them back if I tell him which lenses I've borrowed. But I love this camera, and just before I take you on this walkthrough, I put a GoPro on the top of its hot shoe so that you can kind of have a point of view of downtown Davao City. The very first roll I shot on it, I was testing out the functionality of the camera and realized, being that it's over, I'm going to reveal my age here. This was made in 1978, I believe, which is the same year that I was born. Being that it's over 40 years old now, pretty much, you can't expect these mechanics to all be fully functioning. I was hoping it would, but I realized that the automatic feature of aperture preferred photography wasn't functioning. So my first roll was dead. That's why I bought a nice cheap roll of film, and actually you'll be amazed at the quality that this Fuji C200 roll can get you for like $4 a roll. So there's only one place left in Davao City that develops and scans the film, which makes my life easier. And so that's what I've done. And so on this next roll that I'm about to show you and take you with me on a kind of POV perspective, a point of view perspective through my GoPro, was just running and gunning. And so I go downtown Davao City by the City Hall. I use a 50mm lens, which again is beautiful. And in fact, these kind of legacy lenses that I'm using, I'll often put on my modern digital cameras because they are so beautiful. The way that the glass is put together, oh man. Anyway, maybe I'll go into that at a later date and show you what you can do with an old lens with the new digital bodies. But for now, without further ado, let me take you through Davao City. Hope you enjoyed this little ride with me. Anyway, have a blessed day, and I'll see you at the end.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Daghang salamat, Chief. 1. Salamat.
Hey, anyway, I hope you enjoyed that mini tour of downtown Davao City. This is just a taste. I hope you like this kind of like walkthrough video photography. I'm probably gonna try to do a little bit more because it helps my creative side, little adventurous side to come out. So we'll be doing some moto vlogs with maybe some digital and classic film photography. So a little hybrid adventure. Let me know if you like this. I know it's not the most exciting of kind of walkthroughs, I get that, but we're gonna get more exciting footage as we kind of venture out and maybe have some targeted photographic kind of just walks or rides on a motorbike. And so anyway, until next time, be blessed and keep shooting.